We can get to the first
Can I
question.
make a joke like AKA Papi? Please. Please. It's practice. It's practice.
Yo.
Today we'll be talking about 3 to 4 points. Hi guys, my name is Julio Mkok. We're here at the University of Bristol. I am the current East African Society President, and I'll be here today giving you advice on what to do and what not to do on your open days. Tip 1. Research on your university. You don't want to come to the open day and not have any questions. This is the opportunity on you finding out the most without actually joining the university. You'll have open day stewards, you'll have past students who will answer all the questions you have regarding your course, lifestyle, extracurricular activities, and your degree in a whole. Point 2. Try to get into contact with older students, second years, third years, even possibly master's students, to see how your course will go in the long run. On to our third point. Research on the city you're coming to live in. And coming up to the last and final point, go with a friend. Don't go alone. Make sure you have someone to give you advice. It's always good to have a third party's opinion in such big days in your life. University is one of the biggest challenges in life. Some say it's the most exciting. Unfortunately, we've come to the end of this wonderful video. I hope everything I said was insightful, maybe helpful. I can't wait to hear about your experiences. Make sure you follow us at SFW on Instagram and Facebook, Strength From Within. Look forward to hearing from all of your experiences. Have a great time in uni.